Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can show sell discount percentage in Shopify. In order to show sell discount percentage in Shopify, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, check your internet connection and log in into your Shopify account. Once you're logged into your Shopify account, this is going to take you to the home page of your Shopify account. Right on this page, go ahead and tap on online store in the left hand side bar of your screen. As soon as you click on the online store, you'll need to go ahead and you'll need to scroll down a bit and tap on three-dot icon next to it. After that, go ahead and tap on edit code. After you click on edit code, it's going to direct you to the code section. Here you'll be able to see multiple options next to right in the corner. You'll need to locate product-cart. So you'll need to scroll down a bit, or you can also use the search bar tool located right on top. Now I'll be replacing the code, so what you need to do is basically you need to select the code first of all, and after that you need to go to the web page, and on the web address bar you need to type in spacespin.com. This is going to direct you to this kind of interface. So from here you need to copy the code. I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. After that you need to paste it right over here. After you've done that, click on save, which is located right on top, and then you'll need to refresh the application. Or you can simply log out of your account and once again log in into your account. After you're logged in, you'll be able to see the sale discount percentage in Shopify. You will also need to adjust the percentage right over here. I forgot to mention it earlier. In this way, you can show sell discount percent in Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.